His Holiness, thank you for being with us today. What happens if everyone in this world becomes monk?
Karsa. At least half, or at least I think, third, one third become monk and nun is the best way to birth control. Now it is quite serious now. When I first came India as a refugee, then we used to say 6 billion human beings. Now after 60 years passed, almost 60 years, now today's world population 7 billion. According some sort of or some expert, end of this century, human population reach 10 billions. Then other hand, global warming, very serious. When we flying over Afghanistan, really, the desert where small river there and some trees and some farmings. I think there are clear signs, and previously I said more water. So recently in Ladakh also I mentioned, within my own lifetime, for example, Dharamsala, Kangra Valley, 1960 summer I came Dharamsala. I shifted from Mussoorie. So that winter, lot of snow. I think 1 foot like that, snow. Then, year by year, less. Nowadays, at my place, hardly is a day because of the heavy snowfall. So now look, Europe, unusually much heat. And then because of global warming, some area, too much heat, burning, fire. And the California area, a lot of fire. Then some area, too much flood, including Japan. So these are the effects or result of global warming. So now, global warming, they pray to God, not much helpful. According to theistic religion, the global warming itself created by God. So now, you see, we should sort of think the global warming and population. I think beyond 7 billion, 8 billion, I think very difficult. Nature resources now really facing. And some African country and many other country, water resource problem there. Now fortunately, India, because of Himalayan mountain, a lot of rivers. Goa, I don't know. Seawater, maybe. But northern India, I think Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Indus. So you should grateful to Tibet. All these major rivers come from Tibet. In China also, the Yellow River, from Tibetan Plateau. So almost whole Asia's, these big river and the Mekong River, all come from Tibetan Plateau. So anyway, we are supplier of water to whole Asian continent. Like that. I think the global warming, I think really very serious matter. Very serious matter. Like that. Thank you.
Yes, life in a B school can be hectic. Sometimes you feel more mechanized and less
Kosa.
human. How to find inner peace in such times?
Kosa.
지단 미세디 지 초부당 지 대화처럼 가해 연구소스 삼례다 지 수수되고
I think firstly, as I already mentioned, holistic. That's important. I think many problems. You just think yourself and sort of narrow-minded. Then the problem appears unbearable. The same problem. Look from wider perspective. And also look, I think actually 7 billion human beings, everyone has some kind of problem. No one free problem. So think more wider perspective. Then same problem appears smaller. Then you feel more courage to tackle that. Only one angle, look that. And one, you are so selfish way, think yourself. Then problem appears very, very big. And then another practical sort of advice, one great Indian master, I think 8th century, he expressed, when we face some problem, we should analyze the problem. Then problem is such we can overcome through effort. Then no need worry. Make effort with full courage, full willpower. And if the thing thoroughly analyzed, then beyond your control, cannot overcome, and then no use too much worry. It's quite practical, isn't it? Like that. So you should think more, got a wider perspective, and look from distance, the same problem. Look closely, very big. From distance, it is a problem, but I can manage to overcome. Okay.
His Holiness, please accept my greeting. And my question is, when it comes to emotions, why is that our mind gets disturbed and struggles to accept the negative emotions as compared with the positive emotions?
Yes, sir.
And
Basically, all destructive emotion not based on reason. Positive emotion, such as compassion, loving kindness, there is sound basis. So therefore, if we know whole system of our emotion, then destructive emotion, no proper basis, destructive emotion ultimately related with ignorance. All positive emotion, if we think more deeper way, very much related with wisdom. So ignorance, wisdom, compare these two, ignorance, no proper base. Wisdom, proper base. we can train, we can learn. The all emotion which based on ignorance is spontaneous sort of. The physical also is some relation. So spontaneous sort of. But you cannot train our anger. Compassion, forgiveness, we can train. So only question is whether we pay attention and with fuller knowledge about this whole system of emotion. That makes difference. Otherwise, you see, if we analyze, then positive emotion much more powerful, much more sound. The emotional, because the destructive emotions such as anger. Do you ever sort of experience one short period you develop anger? So you use some harsh word. Then after a few hours, your anger reduce. Do you feel shy? Many things happen. I also, recently, one occasion I burst, I lost my anger. The next morning, I feel shy. Like that. So, and now here, the Buddhist concept, Buddhist philosophy, things does not exist independently, objectively. So now quantum physicists, some Chinese quantum physicists, I heard one article wrote by one Chinese quantum physicist. He noticed those people who fully convinced nothing objectively exists. Then their sort of emotional level, because of the extreme view.
Reaction.
Ah.
The reaction is not too extreme.
Because you see, now this is Buddhist philosophy say very clearly that all these destructive emotion based on appearances. Once we develop appearances, not like the reality, not like appearances. So make distinction, appearance and reality. So Buddhist concept, shunyata. Shunyata means emptiness. Emptiness really here means interdependency. Nothing independently exists. Appearance, due to our own fundamental ignorance, appear as objectively exist. This is basis of destructive emotion. So once we know everything relative, interdependency, then that very basis of emotion thinner. Okay? Some time back, I also, you see, discussed some Christian nuns. The same questions asked me. Then I told them, since they believe entire world, entire sort of galaxies created by God, so then think the creation of God limitless. And within that, you are just a tiny, very, very tiny, insignificant one, small. So think that way, you are sort of feeling importance of self, I, or that reduce. So like that, think. When you feel emotion, they think more deeper way. Then, since emotion, destructive emotion, not based proper foundation, so become weak. Other hand, like compassion, these sort of sound basis, thinking, reasoning, it gains more strength. Okay.
Thank you for you.
A very good morning to you, Your Holiness. I've always wanted to meet you and interact with you for a very long time, and standing here today, it is truly a dream come true for me. What I would like to know is, with the amount of hate and negativity that is prevalent in today's world, what is it that still motivates you, or what is it that still drives you to spread your message of positivity and peace?
Kasa, More. As I already mentioned, most of the problem ultimately related with self-centered attitude and too much selfish. That, obviously, as I already mentioned, the scientist, basic human nature is more compassionate. Because the very much existence of our community, humanity, based on compassion, taking care of each other. I think the other sort of question, how to check our population, then we should increase anger, then killing each other, then our population can reduce. So you see, everybody, I think, out of ignorance, otherwise we can tell them the violence, anger is really destroyer of our peace of mind. Without peace of mind, your health also becomes difficult, and the whole society, your family, finds difficult to happy family and a happy community. Then finally, happy humanity. If we current sort of situation, just desire, and self-centered attitude, very difficult. So people want, no human being want problem, but a lot of problem because of destructive emotion. How to reduce destructive emotion? Is it necessary to accept religion? No. Secular way, through education, we can reduce this negative emotion. So that's why I try my best, and many scientists now also they have same view, like that.
앞을 봐 흰 빛을 넘치